Good morning guys, we're here in Hong Kong. As yesterday came up from Macau, now have 2 days in Hong Kong, and today I'm going to do a hike which is called the Suicide Cliff in Kowloon, which is just around here somewhere. I'm using Google Maps to get there. It's going to be a great hike, tremendous views. They call it Suicide Cliff because people have died there because it's quite dangerous. You got to be careful. I didn't really sleep much last night. I had literally no sleep. I've been up all night editing and now I'm up again ready to go and hike. Today I want to go to Victoria Peak at night time. That's something I haven't been yet, so I want to see the beautiful night view. But let's do this hike right now. It should be a great hike. And yeah, you know what, one of the questions I often ask myself is, what do I love? What aspect of travel do I love the most? And 100% it's got to be hiking in mountains, getting tremendous views of tremendous places, tremendous countries, just fantastic views. I mean, I love eating food, I love all the other aspects of travel, but for me, the hikes, hands down, are my favourite bit about travelling. Alright, so the total distance of the hike there and back is 10 kilometers, but I believe I'll be able to do it much faster than that. So recommended time there and back is 4 hours, so I'm going to go probably there and back in 3 and push myself. The time is 2:45, so I should be down by about 6, which is a good thing because it gets dark about 6 here, so no dramas. So I've got to watch out for snakes around here. I've been told that Hong Kong, especially the hills, the mountains surrounding Hong Kong city, are like a mini Australia. They're full of snakes, vipers, all kinds of poisonous snakes. And after living in Australia and spending part of my time in outside the city, I learned that snakes, a lot of myths about snakes. Snakes are unlikely to bite you unless you provoke them, and usually if they hear human footsteps, which is very heavy vibrations, they'll sliver off before you get near. However, snakes are snakes. You don't know what mood they're going to be in. If they're hungry, they're going to go for you. If you rattle them, you know, they're probably going to go for you. So keep your eyes out when you're doing hikes in places like Hong Kong, Australia, because there will be snakes around the area, and you know, 999 times out of 1,000 you won't even see a snake. But if you do, just stay calm, move past it, don't threaten it, don't stick a GoPro in its face, and move on. Continue your hike. Alright, so I just walked past a monkey. I didn't fancy getting the camera out and taking a video of it. It was sat in the tree eating some kind of fruit and looking at me quite in an odd way. I guess there's monkeys around here. I wasn't too aware of that. Not a big fan of monkeys, but then again, who the hell is? One of the worst things you can do with monkeys is look into their eyes. A lot of Western people don't understand monkeys because they don't grow up around wild monkeys. And so well, why would they understand them? But if you stare in a monkey's eyes, they're going to feel threatened. If they feel threatened, you've got a major problem. So also, if monkeys show their teeth, they're going to attack you. That's their warning to back the F off, and you should back off, especially if there's more than one of them, because they will attack you within a split second. So those two things to be aware of when you see wild monkeys. A lot of Westerners who don't grow up around monkeys probably wouldn't know. Okay, look at this. We're walking directly under a pylon. It's completely smogged out. I don't know if it's smog coming from China or it's just haze. Maybe it's a combination of the two. I don't know how well you can see that view, but usually that would be an incredible view of Kowloon in Hong Kong. But it's pretty much grey Well, I said, is there any more good views here? The answer is hell yes. Check out that, guys. Woohoo! Tremendous. What a view. One of the greatest views that I've ever seen. Woo! Strange leafy terrain right here. It's like it's been cut through by the hikers. And now it's getting to now it's getting to shoulder width. Again here, hiking through these tall, overgrown leaves. And as you can see there, that transmitter, I think that's where we're heading to. That's with the best view. God damn. It's getting tall. Oh boy, we hit the jackpot. What a view. Look at that view there of Kowloon all around here. It's a tremendous view. Alright, there's some guys down there abseiling down, and there, down there is Suicide Cliff. There's two guys there right now. Yeah, what a view though. What a phenomenal view. Well, that's a long way down. Bit of a drop. That's why they call it the Suicide Cliff. Watch that. Can you get down?
Yeah. I mean, it's quite steep, but.
No. Okay. Cool. How long to get down? Cool. So it won't be dark by the time we get down. That's okay. Thank you.
No, I think it'll be fairly quick.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you. Just climbed. Taking me pretty much all afternoon to climb, but the sunset and the view is amazing. Hong Kong is an incredible place, and traveling is one of the greatest things in the world, and I am, you know, truly blessed to be able to see the world like I do. Travel's a great thing in the world, and this is one of the greatest views in the world, hands down. Alright guys, just come down from the hike now. I didn't film myself coming down really because it was very steep and the light was going, and I wanted to focus fully on getting down safely, but now I am down. I'm gonna go and eat some food, go back to my accommodation, and maybe go up Victoria Peak if I have time and look at it at night time, because it's going to be a phenomenal view. Anyway, catch you later. Alright guys, just on the way to Victoria Peak. It's dark and I want to see the view from night time. I've only seen it from daytime yet, and tomorrow night it's raining all night, so this is my last chance to see the skyline of Hong Kong at night time. It's up in all its glory. That's where I'm going right now. I'm on the bus. Oh wow, what a wonderful view here of Hong Kong at night time. And I haven't got much battery left on my phone, on my GoPro. It's gonna die soon, but to be honest with you, I really don't care, because at times like that, when I'm seeing this incredible view in front of me, I just want to be in the moment. On that note, I'm going to enjoy this for you. I'm going to be in the moment. I'm going to say see you tomorrow. And thank you for watching as always. Like, comment, subscribe, follow my journey, whatever. Peace out.